These are my alchemy threads. So I have apparel and I'm tangling on it using some product to alter the color of the actual garment or piece of clothing that I'm tangling on. And what I find about this whole process is how it brings so many things that I've learned together. Alchemy Threads to me is a wearable transformation, and each of these pieces is hand altered by me. The fabric is shifted from its original state that it began in and changes to something completely new. And then it's infused with my meditative art, usually some type of tangling, and the result of it carries this creativity and intentional energy. No two designs are ever the same. No two pieces of clothing are ever the same. And each line is guided by flow. Every pattern is layered with meaning. And every garment is infused with Reiki energy for balance and renewal. These aren't just clothes, they're living canvases. They embody the blend of art and spirit, as well as transformation that defines my work across everything that I create, from pottery, journals, art, Reiki, mediumship, and sound therapy. Alchemy Threads allows you to wear your soul, a reminder that change is beautiful, creativity is healing, and true style is found outside the lines. So enjoy this, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, give a thumbs up to this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. I love watching this process. To me, it's very mesmerizing, the transformation, the change. Even when I'm actually tangling and doing the meditative art, just the flow that allows my mind to relax and go somewhere else while I enjoy this moment. It really is transformational. I love watching the change so much. And this piece of alchemy thread, there's only a few to begin with. You can find on my website, which is outsidethelines, LINZ.com, and you can shop there. I also have some tangling kits there as well. So enjoy, have fun, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, it's okay to go outside the lines. I hope you enjoyed this. I think it turned out great. Again, don't forget to subscribe and check out my website. Have a great day.